Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Easy English Talk Channel, the place where you start with confusion but end with confidence. I'm Emma.
Why? Why are you doing this to me? I hate you, little plastic box.
Rahul, who are you fighting with?
I am fighting with this Rubik's Cube, Emma. I have been twisting it for 3 hours. It is impossible. I am going to throw it out the window.
No, don't throw it. You just need patience. If you keep practicing, you will solve it eventually.
Eventually? Is that a magic spell to solve the puzzle? Eventually! Nope. Still mixed up.
It's not a magic spell. It's a very useful word, and it's our topic for today, how to use eventually.
Does it mean immediately? Because I want to solve this now.
No, it's actually the opposite. Eventually means in the end, especially after a long time or a lot of effort.
So it means finally after I suffer?
Basically, yes. It implies there was a delay or a struggle, but the result happens in the end.
Okay, so I am suffering now, but eventually I will be a Rubik's Cube champion.
Exactly. But before we become champions, we have a goal for our listeners.
Yes, eventually we want 1 million subscribers. So please help us by subscribing to Easy English Talk right now.
And click the like button. Don't wait until eventually. Do it today.
Okay, Emma, teach me. How do I use this word?
Situation 1. A long wait. Imagine you are waiting for a bus. It's late. You wait 10 minutes, 20 minutes, 30 minutes.
I would be very angry.
Yes, but then the bus comes. You can say, it took a long time, but eventually the bus arrived.
So eventually tells the story of the waiting. I waited for my pizza for 2 hours. Eventually, the delivery guy came.
Perfect. It emphasizes the time. If you just say the pizza came, it sounds normal. If you say eventually the pizza came, we know you waited a long time.
I see. It adds drama. The pizza came eventually.
Situation 2. Success after failure. This is for your Rubik's Cube. You try and fail. Try and fail. He failed many times, but eventually he succeeded.
I fell off my bicycle 50 times, but eventually I learned to ride.
The baby crawled for months, but eventually she started walking.
I burnt the toast every morning, but eventually I learned to use the toaster.
I'm glad you learned that, Rahul. Burnt toast is terrible.
It's crunchy.
Situation 3. The future prediction. We use it to say something will happen, even if we don't know when.
Like one day?
Yes, it's raining now, but it will stop eventually.
I don't have money now, but I will be rich eventually.
You don't understand English grammar perfectly now, but you will eventually.
That's a nice promise. It means don't worry, it will happen.
Exactly. It's a word of hope.
But Emma, I have a question. Is eventually the same as maybe?
No, that's a common mistake. Maybe means it might happen or it might not. 50-50. Eventually means it definitely will happen, just later, 100%, but slow.
Oh, that's a big difference. I will maybe pay you back means don't trust me. I will eventually pay you back means I will do it, just wait.
Exactly. Though if you owe me money, I prefer immediately, not eventually.
Okay, noted. Can I put the word at the end of the sentence?
Yes, he will come eventually. Eventually, he will come. He will eventually come. All are correct.
I love flexible words. They're my favorite.
Me too. Let's do a recap so our listeners understand it perfectly.
Let's break it down.
1. The meaning. It means in the end or finally after a long time, delay, or effort.
2. The struggle. It shows that something was hard or slow. The traffic was bad, but eventually we got home.
3. The future. It means something will happen for sure, but we don't know exactly when. The sun will come out eventually.
4. Not maybe. It's not a guess, it's a slow promise.
5. Pronunciation. Eventually. 5 syllables.
Eventually. Eventually. Got it.
So, Rahul, are you going to finish that Rubik's Cube?
Honestly, no. I'm gonna peel the stickers off and move them. It's faster.
That's cheating.
It's creative problem solving. Eventually, the cube is solved. That's what matters.
You are impossible. Listeners, we have a question for you.
Yes, tell us about your goals. In the comments below, complete this sentence. I am practicing English because eventually I want to blank.
What's your big goal? Eventually, I want to live in Canada. Eventually, I want to read Harry Potter in English.
Eventually, I want to understand what Rahul is saying.
Tell us your dreams.
So please write a comment and subscribe to Easy English Talk.
We hope you learned something today.
If not, watch the video again. You'll learn eventually.
Bye, everyone.
Bye-bye. There, solved it.